Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel Pak Techniques. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can change your cursors and make them animated and awesome and amazing. So first of all, you have to open a new tab, and the link is given in the description. You just have to copy and paste the link in the Google bar, and after opening that link in a new tab, this page will get opened. Link is given in the description. Link जो है वो description में दिया हुआ है. You just have to click at that link and this page will get opened. You have to search your cursor of according to your choices, and here you can see there are so many basically cursors which are animated and all of that. So I will search of my choice metal cursor, and after that I will search it. There are so many millions of cursors here at this page, at this site. I will search it, I will select it according to my choice and make it awesome and amazing. So for example, this one is quite nice. This one, gold metal brass cursor. I will click at it and download each of them. This is basically a set of gold metal brass cursors. I will select each of them, and after selecting each of them I will just click at download, and I will download it, and it will get downloaded in my computer or PC or laptop. And then I will simply minimize this Google tab, and I will click at my start start button, and I will search mouse, and after searching mouse I will simply click at mouse, and here you can see it's given the second option, pointers. I will click at it, and then I will click at browse. Here you can see I will click at it, and then I will browse my downloaded cursor which I recently downloaded in front of you guys. I will just browse it, and here are so many metal brass, gold metal brass cursor. I've downloaded 5 times just to record it and just tell you guys, but some problem was coming, that's why I was not able to record, but now I am able to record. So here you can see this is activated, and now I will simply click at OK, and now you can see my cursor is same to same as you can see here. I have downloaded it and I have activated it, and you can see gold metal brass cursor is here and it's animated. You can see it. So it's looking nice and it's looking cool and awesome. So there at this website there are millions of animated and colorful cursors. So you can install it and activate it by the method which I told you guys, and then you can enjoy and customize your cursor in this manner and this way. So this was the video from today, and I hope you will like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss further updates from our channel, and watch our latest video which is amazing. This one, how to download GTA San Andreas in your computer, laptop, or download GTA games, GTA 5, GTA 4, GTA 3 in computer easily. So in this video we told you guys how you can download GTA games, GTA 5, GTA 4 and all of that in your computer or laptop, and you can watch it and enjoy it. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss further updates from our channel. Thank you.